Welcome home to the village of Woodbury. Experience the ultimate Florida lifestyle in this immaculate, move-in-ready 2016 Charlotte Courtyard Villa. Nestled in the serene and highly desirable Phillips Villas community, this three-bedroom, two-bathroom home immediately charms you with its low-maintenance, professionally landscaped rock exterior and lush greenery. Bright, open, and elegant living step inside to a spacious, light-filled interior amplified by high vaulted ceilings and an open-concept floor plan. The generous living and dining areas flow effortlessly, making everyday living and entertaining a breeze. Multiple sets of sliding glass doors seamlessly bridge your indoor and outdoor spaces. The kitchen, featuring stainless steel appliances, high-definition countertops, a stainless dual sink, and a closet pantry. Function meets style with the breakfast bar, bottom rollout cabinetry, recessed lighting. The lanai and courtyard enjoy year-round relaxation in the glass-enclosed lanai, fully equipped with double-paned windows and a ceiling fan. This space opens up to a massive, ultra-private courtyard with absolutely no grass to mow, a concrete grilling patio, and a separate screened lanai section. Private retreats and mechanical peace of mind. Primary suite features elegant tray ceilings, a spacious walk-in closet, direct sliding door access to the lanai, and an ensuite bath with elevated vanities and a walk-in shower. Guest spaces. Two comfortable secondary bedrooms offer vaulted ceilings, built-in closets, and ceiling fans, sharing a well-appointed guest bath with tall, high-definition countertops and a tub/shower combo. Extras: a dedicated indoor laundry room with a utility tub and a 1.5-car garage with attic storage. Systems: the roof, HVAC, and water heater are all original from the high-quality 2016 build. Unbeatable location and amenities.